Rage on that beat, going crazy.
YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. I'm geeked. I don't have the biggest smile on my face because I've had a couple things going the last couple of days that's been shocking and a crazy turn of events. First off, I'm gonna send my condolences to Tina. Vic was my best friend, childhood friend. We grew up from, I would say, the age of, I was about 11 when we met until now, and we've kept in constant contact throughout the years. We might not have seen each other every day, but we definitely spoke on a regular basis, and then we definitely would kick whenever we would see each other. He's been in the shop a couple times and bought a shirt, so a moment's silence. Rest in peace, Victor Mackey. You will be greatly missed. But today, we're going to go over some Stahls transfers, which you've seen in the B-roll. Now, also, I had got a GoPro for my birthday. Yay, my birthday just passed. I'm another year older, fresh 18. But all that and more after the intro. So before we jump into those Stahls transfer sample pack, I want to talk about a few things that I did get. Usually when packaging, I know I bring this up in a lot of my videos, but it's very important. When you present the final custom to your customer and it's nicely wrapped or it's in some type of professional package, they're more than likely going to come right back to you. So I've been getting these Resyllables, and I believe I posted this on my channel a while back, and they're from Spartan Industry. You can get these from Amazon for the low, y'all. And what they are is self-adhesive bags, and these are 10 by 13, and you get 200 of them. Here's what they look like up close. You just peel that back and then close it. Voila. I usually put my cards, a couple stickers in there, things of that nature, just so the customer feels like this guy went the extra mile to make sure that my custom was really custom. The next thing that I found was very useful was this folder. And what it is box legend. No, they're not promoting me. And no, they're not promoting me for the bags. But these are things that I use in my day-to-day business to make things look a little bit more professional. Alexis, can you take a shot up there? See how that looks like a mess? Well, if I get my box legend out and grab a shirt, which I'll demonstrate for you guys real quick. Here we go. You see how up there was a mess. But if you got enough time at the end of the day, especially if you're in a shop or if you're in a business and you're having traffic where customers are coming in, the presentation is all about, it has to be everything. It has to be on point. If they see a nice, neat, clean environment, more than likely, they're going to come back to you. But let's get down to this box legend real quick. And it's really simple. They use these at like JCPenney's, Targets, a lot of those different places. So basically what you do is tuck the tail, left, right, one more again. And I like to sometimes come here and hit this corner one time. Fold over. And there you got it. Nice folded shirt. And once again, this is a box legend. You can get this from Amazon. I believe you can possibly get it from Walmart. I'm not too sure on that. You gotta do your due diligence and go see. And the creme de la creme, y'all. The best thing that's happened to me this year, despite everything else that's been going on, is my birthday pass. I seen a GoPro. I'm like, man, one day I'm gonna get one of those. And in the back of my head, I was thinking I'll save up, maybe on a side venture. But unbeknownst to me, my wife must have heard my thoughts, because guess what? She went and got it, y'all. Look at that. And no, it's not a GoPro 9. It ain't a GoPro 9 Max 33,000. But it is a rather late edition, and I am curious to see what this bad boy can do. I've heard so much about it. You guys think I should do an unboxing on film and a review on film of this? Or should I just stick to the t-shirts? And also, she had bought me this tripod. Now, GoPro do sell their own tripods, but this was a nice touch. 50 inches, 15 by 75. I mean, I really don't know everything about recording because, as you guys know, I have someone record for me. I suck at recording. It's just Lex behind the camera got it one time for the one time. And while we at it, T-Gang in the building. I ain't said that in so long, it just felt great. It came up off the chest fluently, didn't it? But let's get into the real reason why we're doing this video. So as you just seen, I opened up the package that I got from Stahls. And it's a sample, it's an idea book, it's a price guide, it's a whole bundle all in one. Now, I seen a previous YouTuber doing this, and I did a Stahls review back in the day, like when I very first started. And I thought now's the time to bring more fresh content to my YouTube channel, try something different. So I'm gonna show you what I got, and I'm not sure if we're gonna press something today, but I'm definitely gonna reveal what was in the sample pack and see if it's something you may be interested in. So when you do get your sample pack, there'll be a pricing guide in there, and there'll be an idea book. You guys, when you get your sample, can go through that. I'm not gonna take the time to explain that, but I am going to look at the transfers that they did send me and talk a little bit about that. So it comes in this nice folder. And I'm pretty sure it has all the presets and everything. I think this is just for the samples, yeah. So I can talk about samples, but once again, once you order it, you guys can go through the book yourselves and, you know, figure out what's what. Well, let's talk about these samples real quick. So the first one that I got is the Achievement Academy. I'm sorry, I had that backwards. And it has like a sub blocker on the back of it. Yeah. And I don't know if these will uphold or if these are better than Super Color. Maybe we should do a comparison video on that. But I know I love Super Color. Next, we have this Newark, also with a sub blocker on the back of it. And it's the Aqua True. And there's different times and temperatures, but once again, all you guys gotta do is visit Stahls, Transfer Express, and request a sample. What up, Big Brandoh? He did a video over this and inspired me to do one. You know, being that he's inspiration and all. Y'all should go check out my homeboy, Big Brandoh. The next one is a vote. Being that it's election time, seeing that this is fitting that it belongs in there. This is a glitter, and it presses for 350 degrees for 15 seconds. Colors is popping on that one. I'm gonna skip through a few, y'all. The next one we're gonna go to is the Inspire the Future. And this is called a hot split. The temp is 365 and you press for 8 to 10 seconds on a firm pressure. And being that I'm from Canton, Ohio, home of the Hall of Fame City, these just happen to be my favorite colors. What up, Browns? Yeah! Got geeked, didn't I? And I'll do about 2 more. The next one is Pine Cheer Pirates. This is a goof proof, no backing. So basically they're saying there's no way that you can mess this up, especially if you follow the directions that's given to you in the book. We're going to have to put that to the test. I'm seeming to making a lot of mistakes, because if you guys don't know, you're getting ready to hear it. I make the mistakes, so you don't have to. So to find out that there's a goof proof transfer, might be something worth investing in. And the last one is number 3. And these are elastic prints. And basically this looks like it may be a goof-proof sheet, but the elastic prints, it says for the elastic prints, the application on stretchy polyester fabrics and performance wear. So basically a baseball or basketball jersey. You want a temp to be at 300 degrees. You want to press it for 15 seconds on a medium firm pressure, 6 to 8. Cold peel. That's the difference. It's a cold peel, not a hot peel. Yo, we done came to the conclusion of this video. There was no pressing in this one, but if you guys would like me to do a part 2, drop a comment. Let me know, and I'll do a follow-up video. Maybe we'll check out that goof proof. And if you guys think I should do a video over the GoPro unboxing and, you know, getting acquainted with it, hit it up in the comment section. Let me know something. I didn't want to just hop out there and throw new content on y'all and scare the audience. I definitely don't want to do that, especially when I make t-shirt tutorials. And what up, squad? All things style, 12 gaunt apparel. You dig? I always say that twice. I don't know why. Say how you feel. Southern graphics. You know, squad pretty much. But until next time, y'all. Oh, wait a minute. Like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe, comment, like if you like this. Man, get out my face.